Alright guys, here's part 2 on the Instant Vortex review. That's this device right down here. If you didn't see part 1, I'll put a link down below to part 1. But on part 2, we're going to dehydrate on this. We already air fried. We air fried some beautiful chicken, came out great. So now we're going to do some vegetable chips, veggie chips. Because the one in the bags that you buy at the store, like the Terra, Mediterranean, we're going to try and duplicate that. Alright, so come on in close. Let me show you what I got. I just want to tell you really quick. We sliced all our vegetables with this Cuisinart mandolin slicer and it sucked. It really did. Don't waste your money on them unless you have to have everything equal sliced. This was a hard, it didn't cut very well. It's like the blade isn't sharp enough or something. So make sure you got a good review on a good cutting blade. And but we did do it all in the Cuisinart. All right, we sliced them all yesterday. We have jicama, we have parsnips, we got beets, and we have a bag of sweet potatoes. We're probably not using all this because it probably all won't fit, but we're using the basket, the rotisserie basket that comes in this device to spin and dehydrate and keep tossing the chips. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of each one of the slices in. Drop them in there. Tammy loves beets, so I'm going to put a little bit more beets than everything else. Little sweet potatoes. Here's some jicama. Some parsnips. Now, I guarantee this ain't all fitting in that basket, so we may have to do two times, but I'm just showing you how to do it as a review. Here's the Rachel Ray, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, some garlic, a little bit of onion powder, put in some oregano, put in some basil, give it a good mix. As you can see here, the veggie chips have been oiled, seasoned, and put in the basket. And now we're going to close this door and hit rotate so it will dehydrate and it will tumble these chips. And hopefully it will come out beautiful. I tried to use the basket, but it's not a good idea. I wanted to use the basket because it would hold more chips and I could do more at one time. Unfortunately, I can only use the shelves for dehydrating. So you either air fry at a low temperature with the basket rotating, or you choose dehydrate at a lower temperature. So I'm gonna change this out because this video is about dehydrating. So I'm gonna remove the basket and I'm gonna put them on the trays, and then we'll dehydrate. Okay, as you can see, we now have the two shelves in with the chips laying on the shelves, and we're dehydrating at 110 degrees for 8 hours, and then we'll check it. If we have to keep going, we'll keep going. Okay, here's the problem. When I put these in, it was full of sliced vegetables, and when I dehydrated it, they shrunk up to nothing. Literally, there's like, 2 seconds of a snack here? This isn't gonna last me very long. You got a few chips. So, as much as I like the device, I don't know about dehydrating in it. I would rather get a 9-shelf. I have 9-shelf dehydrator, and I wouldn't use this for dehydrating. Just my opinion. So to further our experiment, we took a rack of vegetable slices right here and did them in our oven because our oven has a dehydrate setting. So we dehydrated on one shelf. We didn't use the other shelf in the oven. This is how much we got out of the oven. We got a lot more than we did out of the Instant Pot air fryer. So air frying, yeah, but dehydrating, not too sure. I don't know if I want to wait. You're talking like that took 10 hours. That's a lot of time. So that's my 2-part series on the Instant Pot air fryer. It has roasting and toasting, and it does 7 in 1. This thing is well worth it, but dehydrating, probably not. So that's my honest review. You guys try it out yourself. If you don't like it, you can always take it back to the store. I got mine for $100 at Walmart. There'll be a link down below if you're looking for one of these. And have fun with it, all right? I love you guys. Bye-bye.